trucks, as you can see, is parked in the middle of the road. The AGF roofing truck is parked on the staff parking and the turning circle, the truck turning circle, and its front is parked into the nature strip. The truck is too big to be loading there. It should be loading in its proper place in the middle. That's where it should be parked, not over a pedestrian footpath.